here fishing a private pond full of trout.
Looks like a nice fish.
Looked into a real good one here.
Saw him peek his head out.
I might regret this 6-inch hole now. There we go.
That's a nice fish.
That fish there.
Ooh.
Careful. Gotta love rainbow trout.
It's a good looking fish.
Yes, it is.
She's not ready to give up yet.
That's one thing about these trout is they have a lot of power. Strong, strong fish. Not too shabby.
You betcha.